Hi, my name is Bryson Cox, and I'll be presenting my project over the topic Bridge over Land. I decided to do my project and my case study on separate incidents. So seeing as how I decided to do that, I'll go over my case study first. On March 15th, 2018 at approximately 1:45 p.m., a pedestrian bridge in Miami, Florida collapsed, leaving one employee and 5 motorists fatally injured and another employee permanently disabled. The bridge, at the present state of construction, consisted of a single concrete truss spanning approximately 174 feet and weighing approximately 930 tons. After further investigation, the OES, or Office of Engineering Services, found that the truss had developed numerous wide and deep structural cracks, jeopardizing the integrity of the bridge and ultimately leading to its collapse. Some of the recommendations given were to resend the instructions to MCM to retension the PT bars in diagonal 11, close Southwest 8th Street and shore the truss at appropriate locations, and determine the cause of the cracks. Moving on from my case study, this is my project here, which is, like I said, over bridge over land, and I had a total of 2 violations and 3 compliances. So to start off with the first violation, if you see here, you have the worker which is pulling up concrete here on the bridge, and he is in violation of standard 1926.501B1, which is duty to have fall protection, and it states guardrails, safety nets, or personal fall arrest systems shall be used at 6 feet or more. And as you can see, he does not have any fall protection on, so he is in violation of that standard. Moving on to the second violation, we have this worker here who is shoveling parts of the concrete into the bulldozer, and he is in violation of standard 1926.1425E1, which is cranes and derricks, and it says no employee must be directly under the load. And as you can see, this crane up here is holding a load, and he is directly underneath it, so he is in violation of that standard. Moving on, the last 3 things will be compliances. So the third thing in first compliance is I have barricades set up all around the construction site, and this is in compliance with the standard 1926.202, which is signs, signals, and barricades. And it states that barricades will conform to ANSI D6.1-1971. The fourth thing in second compliance is the signs that I have set up around the construction site. And this sign right under here is actually a sign for overhead load, which unfortunately this worker did not pay attention to. But these signs are in compliance with the standard 1926.200B1, which is also signs, signals, and barricades. And this states that danger signs shall be used only when an immediate hazard exists and shall follow the specifications illustrated in Figure 1 ANSI Z35.1-1968. The fifth and final thing in third compliance is the personal protective and life-saving equipment that all the workers have. If you look closely, they are all wearing hard hats, and this is in compliance with standard 1926.100A, which, as I stated earlier, is personal protective and life-saving equipment. And this states that head protection must be used when there is a possible danger of head injury. This concludes my presentation over my case study and my project. Thank you.